Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. So today we're going to show you how to remove a pilot bushing or pilot bearing out of the crankshaft of your engine using a piece of bread. So we have this little inline 6 here, and we have it out of the car just so you can see this a lot better, but we're installing this engine into a car with an automatic transmission, so we have to get this pilot bearing out. And so what you have to do is kind of force it out from the back side, and what you do, because bread actually compresses very well. I've seen people use grease to pop these out, but the bread actually compresses way better than grease, and it doesn't make hardly as big as a mess as grease does. So all we do is we just kind of fill the void. If you have an old clutch pilot tool, that works really good, or something similar, just to kind of hammer on, just to kind of get it started. As you continue to compress the bread, you just have to stuff more in there. What you want to watch is this bearing is going to start to just slowly kind of come out like this as I hammer it. And that is how you remove a pilot bearing from your crankshaft